Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove and clean the throttle body on this Toyota Aygo from 2010. On this car, the throttle body is located right here. So first step is to remove the air filter box. So in order to do that, I'm going to pop off these clamps which holds the box in place. There are 4 of them. And on the passenger side over here, there are 2 clamps. This one and then this one on top of the throttle body, which needs to be squished like this, and then pull out the hose. See the small one. As you can see, I've done that with only one hand. And then the air filter box is coming out. From this point you can change the air filter as well. And there is the throttle body, you can already see it. There is the flap. So this throttle body is held in place with 3 bolts. One of them is on the front over here, and there are 2 more on the back, this one and this one. So in order to make space for this first bolt, I'm going to take this harness out of the way. There is a plastic flap over here which pops off like this, and now I have enough space over here to place my socket. So I'm gonna grab a 10mm long socket, just undo it. One is out. This is the size of the bolt. And now I'm gonna go back here and undo the bolt. And let's see, second one. And there we go, the third board is out. Now on the throttle body there are 2 electric connectors. One over here. I will just press this clamp and pull it in the same time. Same story on the back over here. And again I'm going to press this little flap over here and wiggle the electric connector out. Now the throttle body can come out easy. Since this is a mechanic throttle, from this point you can remove as well the acceleration cable. So with a 12mm wrench I will undo this nut over here which holds the cable in position and pull it out. And here is a little pin which comes out like this, and there we go, you've got the throttle body, and from this point you can replace it or give it a better clean. So now I can give it a clean with a throttle body cleaner or any other cleaner you have for electronics. It will work fine because this is just a mechanic throttle. And with a paper towel or anything you have clean, take out all the carbon buildup. The most common area with dirt is this side over here where the flap sits and closes. Now over here on the intake there is a gasket and it can be replaced. In my case the gasket looks good, I don't have to replace it. Next I will place back the acceleration cable which goes like the handbrake of the bike, and then I'm going to tie the nut over here. If you don't want to remove the acceleration cable from the throttle body, there is another way. The acceleration cable is held in by a metal flap over here, which you can just remove like so. Once the throttle body is cleaned, I can place it back. Place the electric harness back into the clamp. Good. Now let me start the engine and see how it sounds. Alright guys, that was it. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe and stay tuned for more car videos. And until next time, take care and I will see you soon.